no one really knows what ALS is. It stands for amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. It's a brain disease where motor neurons die, and when they die, people lose the ability to move, to speak, to swallow, and eventually to breathe. What the Golden West chapter does is advance a system that's designed to find a cure for ALS through research, patient care, and public policy. The ALS Ice Bucket Challenge was crazy. It has triggered enormous change in the kind of research we can fund, the amount of research we can fund, and the kind of new initiatives that we can launch. Cytokinetics has been a tremendous corporate supporter. They are a key researcher in the field, and they provide direct financial support to the chapter to help us serve more people living with the disease.
I'm Robert Blum. I'm president and CEO of Cytokinetics, and we're a Bay Area biotechnology company, and we're one of the companies who has been a beneficiary, having received a grant from the ALS Association to advance our clinical research. And Cytokinetics is the only biopharmaceutical company currently conducting a phase 3 clinical trial which holds promise for the potential treatment of ALS. This compound is called tirasemtiv. It's an activator of skeletal muscle, and in prior clinical trials looks to have demonstrated clinically meaningful effects on respiratory function and muscle strength. In advancing it to phase 3, we're now looking to engage the ALS community to participate in this clinical trial that we hope may form the basis of a potential registration and ultimately regulatory approval. And hopefully, if we're successful in our ongoing phase 3 clinical trial, we'll be able to stand in front of patients and caregivers with what could be the first new medicine for these patients in well over 20 years.
Someday, we will have a cure for this disease, and I will have been part of that, and the thousands of volunteers will have been part of that, and every person that we've served with ALS will have been part of that, their family, their friends, all of our donors are all working together, and we will someday get to say, we made that happen.